Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 10th English medium subject maths chapter number 14 exercise 14.3 question number 2. In question number 2 some different type of question can be asked of this question number 2. So solve by different method is important, so concentrate here. First column are given class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. In another column frequency can be given and last column cumulative frequency is denoted by CF. Frequency 5, X, 20, 15, Y and 5 and total can be given 60. Because in this question we have to given total value of 60. Class interval and total in questions are given. And median of these questions, median is equal to 28.5. value of median can be given. So first of all, same type class interval can be set, so no change in this class interval. Directly find cumulative frequency less than type frequency 5. In this term 5 plus x, therefore answer is 5 plus x. Now next, this 5 plus x add into 20, so plus 20, it means 20 plus 5, therefore 25 plus x. Next, this 25 plus x can be added in 15, therefore 25 plus 15 we get 40 plus x. Next, this 40 plus x add in y, so we get 40 plus x plus y. And last, this 40 plus x plus y add in 5, therefore 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. So total of this column is 45 plus x plus y and total are given is equal to 60. Therefore we get next 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Therefore x plus y is equal to 60. 45 side change, therefore minus, so we get x plus y is equal to 15. Equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 15. Now one question is how to find CF, model class, frequency and lower limit. So in this case median are given, and previous two sum we have to find median, but in this question median are given and unknown frequency x and y are found. So in this case median are given, therefore we have to select CF or find CF by using this median. So median 28.5 are present in this class interval, therefore 20 to 30 is our model class. These steps are important for this example. How to find CF? So first of all you can see a median value. Median value is 28.5. So 28.5 between 20 to 30, this 28.5 are included, therefore our model class (20 to 30) frequency is 20 and upper model class, and it means 5 plus x is our value of CF. So lower limit L is equal to 20. H class size, so class size is also 10. Median are given 28.5. Value of F, it means frequency is 20, and CF एक स्टेप आगे आपको देखना है. 25 plus x is our model class value, therefore 5 plus x is our CF. Now put in all equation, all value L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Lower limit of model class 20 to 30, therefore 20 is our lower limit. N by 2, n is equal to 60, so n by 2 is equal to 30 minus CF 5 plus x divided by F 20 into 10. Here n is equal to 60, therefore n by 2, 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Now this 20 and 0 cancel. 2 plus 30 minus 5, bracket open, minus sign apply on bracket, so plus sign converted into minus sign, divided by 2. Therefore 20 plus 30 minus 5, it means 25 minus x divided by 2. Now we know that value of median 28.5, so written down as it is. Now further simplification, 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 25 minus x divided by 2. After subtraction we get 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x divided by 2. 8.5 and 2 multiplication relation, therefore 8.5 into 2, it means 17 is equal to 25 minus x. So side chain, x is equal to 25, 17 side chain, therefore minus, so we get x is equal to value of x is equal to 8. Now in equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 15, therefore y is equal to 15 minus x. So y is equal to 15 minus 8, therefore 7. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. In this way we have to find value of x and y unknown frequency. Now question number 3, last. Question number 2 once again. In question number 2, class interval, unknown frequency x and y are given. So first of all we have to find CF by using unknown frequency, same type, less than type, commutative frequency. Total value can be given 60 and addition is 45 plus x plus y. Therefore x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. So we get equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 50. Median is given 28.5. So median between 20 to 30 class interval. Therefore our 20 to 30 is model class. After find model class we get CF, it means cumulative frequency, lower limit of model class, frequency. All value can be find out and put in this equation of median and get value of x and y, unknown frequency. Question number 4. A length of 40 leaves of plants are measured correct to the nearest millimeters. Question number 4. In question number 4, "40 leaves of plant length are given in millimeter. So the hint, the data need to be converted to continuously classes. It means you can show a limit 118 to 126, and so in textbook question number 4, after 1 to 6 class interval directly start with 117. It means not continuously class interval. So first of all we have to convert into continuously classes. The classes then change. After completed question given below, hint are given. Class interval is 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5. So continuously. So first of all converted into this class interval into continuously class. A hint can be given below of question. So first of all 117.5 to 126.5. Next 126.5 to 135.5. 135.5 to 144.5. 144.5 to 153.5. 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. 171.5 to 180.5. Number of leaves can be not change, is same as given question. First value is 3, 5, number of leaves are given 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. So first of all find cumulative frequency CF. Now 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 12 is equal to 29. 29 plus 5 is equal to 34. 34 plus 4 is equal to 38, and last 38 plus 2 is equal to 40. Now value of n is given 40, therefore we get n by 2 is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20. Now nearly greatest value of 20, it means 29. So model class are given 29. So model class 144.5 to 153.5. Therefore value of L is equal to 144.5 H. It means class gap. So 17 to 26. So total class gap is 9. Now frequency F यानी कि ये 12. This up step CF. So we get CF is equal to 17. Now put in this equation, M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So lower limit 144.5 is a lower limit, plus N by 2, it means 20, minus CF is equal to 17, F 12 and this term. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, answer is 3 divided by 12 into 9. 144, 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, cancel out. So 3 into 3, 9 divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4, we get answer, and addition of this answer can be added by 144. So we get final answer 146.76 in mm unit. Therefore value of m is equal to 146.76 mm. So question number 5 and 7 in homework. Question number 5 and question number 7 are homework. So next lecture we have to solve question number 6. Thank you.